This quarter from 1970 sold for $93,000, and in this video I'm going to tell you the exact details that you need to know to make sure that if you come across a coin like this, you know its value and you know how to sell it without getting scammed or ripped off. This coin sold on January 12th of 2023, so this is a relatively recent sale, but it does not matter when you're watching this video because a coin like this will always hold value regardless. So this coin was graded by NGC at a proof 66. Now what proof means is that there's a difference in the type of metal they used. I'm going to show you a diagram of what a business strike versus a proof coin will look like. So essentially this coin was accidentally overstruck on an 1898 $5 gold coin. Now the rim of the coin looks like that simply because of it being produced on the wrong planchet. Planchet just means a piece of metal. Now there are people in society that do not want us to know about the values of coins like this. They simply want to take advantage of us and make as much money as possible. That's why I'm sharing information like this and building a following of like-minded people who are aware and are educating themselves so they can be prepared if they ever come across a rare coin like this. Now, if you want to join and start your journey of education, I have a completely free ebook down below. You don't have to do that, but just remember that there are some bad people out there in society looking to take advantage of us. So understanding a coin like this is incredibly rare and valuable, and someone could easily get taken advantage of if they brought it to the wrong person or did not have the information that they needed prior to selling it. Because guys, this incredibly rare 1970 quarter sold for $93,000. If you enjoyed this video, I'll see you in the next one.